Hi, today I'm front of Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi to this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should tap on this switcher. After that, we'll see here all of the available networks. Let's select, for example, the first one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, just click here on this icon just to remove the password from here. Click on this X icon, or also you can delete only the one item, for example. So enter the password. After that, just tap to connect on the right upper corner and wait a couple of seconds. So now we can see here that our device successfully connected to this network. And that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first you should open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click on this icon, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings you should just hold for a while this icon. And now we can see here our available networks, saved networks. Also you could click here to more just to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.